Hello, and welcome to part 3 of our introduction to MyPortfolio at UCL. In this episode, we're going to take a look at sharing and export and import options. When you click on the Share tab, you can manage the visibility of your resources within MyPortfolio. Each item of content will have an Edit Access and a Secret URLs button alongside it. Secret URLs allow you to share a page externally. But first, let's take a look at the various options behind the Edit Access button. There are various levels of access that you can set. Public, which means that anyone can see the page and it may appear in results if your name is queried in a search engine. Logged in users, which means anyone with a UCL user ID who's currently logged into MyPortfolio can view. Friends, meaning anyone you've added to the system as a friend can see your page or collection. Groups, allowing you to share with some or all of the groups that you're a member or administrator of. And you can also choose to share with specific MyPortfolio users, whether that's individuals or groups. So, to share a piece of content, select the item, who you want to share it with, and any date or time constraints. You'll also notice there are advanced options. Here you can allow comments, which you can moderate, copying of your pages, and access start and end times. Finally, and importantly, don't forget to save the changes you've made. When sharing pages with people outside of UCL, you can choose to generate a secret URL, which can then be distributed only to those you want to see your work. Check the Secret URLs button, click Add, and the URL is generated. If you want to set time constraints, you can limit access to between particular dates. If I want to test this, I can select the URL that's just been created, launch another browser where I'm not signed into MyPortfolio, paste the URL in the address bar, and my page should be viewable. As with much of the content in these introductory videos, if you want to learn more, please visit the UCL MyPortfolio Resource Centre, the URL for which can be found in the description to this video. The Export tab allows you to export your portfolio as either a standalone HTML website or a Leap2A standards compliant package. HTML is the standard markup language used in web design, whilst Leap2A is an open specification for transferring data between portfolio systems. MyPortfolio allows you to choose whether to export the entire portfolio or just selected pages from it. Select the content you want to export, whether that be pages or whole collections. Choose whether to include user feedback or not. Then click Generate Export. Depending on your browser settings, either an automatic download of a zip file containing all the content you've chosen to export will begin, or else you'll be prompted to select a location on your computer to save a zip file to. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the MyPortfolio Resource Centre, the URL for which is in the description beneath this video.